Good morning, it's Thursday, June the 10th, and you're watching AGORACOM Small Cap News TV. I'm your host, Paul Kondakos. AGORACOM TV is a daily, fast-paced show, bringing you the best press releases along with the halts at the open so that you can hopefully profit from them and potentially find your next great small cap investment. Folks, I got 3 great press releases for you this morning. 2 out of the Canadian side, 1 out of the U.S. side. I've got no halts to report on the second segment. So without any further ado, let's get down to business. Our lead story comes out of a company called Afri-can Marine Minerals Corporation. They trade on the TSX Venture under the symbol AFA. Disclaimer time, they aren't AGORACOM clients, so as always, make sure you do diligence on each one of the companies that you see on this show. Now, with that out of the way, let's get down to the news. The company is announcing successful sampling of their program, which was completed on May 26th, of its 70% owned Block J marine diamond concession in Namibia. What I love about these guys, they're exploring for diamonds under the water. The first stage evaluation sampling program has been completed and has returned the recovery of 398 diamonds weighing a total of 48.5 carats. Now, the quality of the diamonds are very high and are typical of the quality found off the coast of Namibia. And the highlight of the program is the discovery of Feature 8, which is a higher grade strip that extends for approximately 1.8 kilometers and warrants immediate further sampling in preparation for trial mining. A little bit about the company. They are actively involved in the acquisition, exploration, and development of major mineral properties in Namibia. And as I had mentioned, they're exploring for diamonds underwater. Afri-can's creative and scientific approach targets large marine diamond deposits in unexplored prospective territories. Company's last at 14 cents, high of 29.5 cents, low of 10 cents, market cap of approximately $25 million. Moving on to our next company. Another resource company, Hunt Mining Corp. They trade on the TSX Venture under the symbol HMX. We've got an NI 43101 for you, so that's a National Instrument 43101 compliant resource, which was received for their La Josefina property. It's a 43101, which indicates a resource of approximately 373 gold equivalent indicated ounces and 65,870 gold equivalent inferred ounces, and this is on their flagship La Josefina property, which is located in Argentina. Company's last at 50 cents, high of 69, low of 35, market cap of approximately $7 million. And finally, moving over to the U.S. side, we've got APWR Energy Generation Systems. They trade on the NASDAQ under the symbol APWR. The company is a provider of distributed power generation systems and a fast-growing manufacturer of wind turbines. What I'm giving to you today is their unaudited financial results for the quarter ended March 31st, 2010. Got some great highlights for you from their first quarter, which includes revenues were approximately $63 million, represents an increase of 115% year over year. Gross margins increased to 14.5%. That's up from 12.5% from the first quarter of 2009. Net income, their GAAP attributable to APWR was approximately $29 million, or 64 cents per diluted share, and cash equivalents and restricted cash was approximately $220 million. So at first blush, this company seems to be very healthy. Looks like they've got a great balance sheet. But again, make sure you do diligence on each one of the companies that you see here. The company has also provided guidance for 2010. They've raised their estimates of revenues to approximately $500 million with net income of approximately $60 million. Nothing to sneeze at. So once again, make sure you take a look if you're interested in this company. Company's last at $7.37, high of $21, low of $7, market cap of approximately $290 million. That's a wrap for today's show. Thanks for joining us. I'm your host, Paul Kondakos. Make sure to join us again here tomorrow. And if you are interested in more small cap companies, we've got a plethora of companies on agoracom.com. Just check out our marketplace and you'll see everything by brief description and broken up by industry. That's a wrap. We'll catch you tomorrow.